Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I make my burabur stew. So I'm gonna make buraburs and my cream samp. So I'm gonna be showing you how I make it, guys. So today is very cold, so I'm gonna be making my comfort food, which is gonna be this combination. So guys, I hope you tune in and see how I do my comfort food, how I cook my comfort food, you guys. So yeah, let's go, you guys, let's cook. So guys, I am now cutting my balls in pieces so that I can, yeah, it can be so that I can cook it, you guys. So yeah, guys, so yeah.
Are you the same? Are you the same? I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same?
So guys, just after it starts boiling, I drain the excess water because you guys, the burabers actually has a lot of oil. So mostly I boil it because I just wanted to release that oil. So yeah, that's why I'm draining the water. So I'm just gonna drain it like 90% of this water, guys. It's mostly oil, but it's not gonna show now because it's still hot. It's gonna separate and then you're gonna see the oil and the water that is left. So yeah, that's the reason I boil my burabors. And then after that, I'm just gonna keep on and just start frying my bars. And then I'm just gonna put my onion and my green pepper so that I can start the frying process.
I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never come home till you entered my door.
So guys, just look at the oil that I drained from my boerewors. This is the oil, guys. Look at it. I told you that 90% of that water that I drained was actually oil. Here is it. Here is proof, you guys. So here, guys, I am making a mixture for my cream samp. So I'm using this cream of mushroom soup. I'm just gonna put a little bit in my cup, and then I'm just gonna add boiling water inside, and then after that I'm just gonna mix the content of this packet and just mix it until it's paste like. And then after that I'm just gonna take my cremora and mix it like in a different cup. I'm gonna use a different cup, and then also mix it with boiling water. And then after that I'm just gonna mix the milk with the water. And then after that, yeah guys, and after that I'm just gonna add aromat. So yeah, I add my aromat inside my cremora. So I'm just gonna stir it, and then after that I'm just gonna add it into the samp. So firstly, when I add to my samp, I add the cremora mixture first, and then I mix it, and then when it starts boiling again, and then I add the cream of mushroom, and then I just leave it to simmer, and then yeah, that'll be it with my samp. So yeah guys, here's my cream samp. It is almost finished. I'm just gonna wait for it to simmer, and then it'll be done.
I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door.